Your home's comfort shouldn't be something you have to think about. Whether you need routine maintenance, a system repair, or simply peace of mind that everything is working as it should, the team at Dependable Service Plumbing and Air is here to help. Their experienced HVAC team takes the time to thoroughly evaluate your system, identify potential concerns, and provide honest recommendations based on what's best for your home and family. Visit them at dependableservice.com to schedule your peace of mind.